Today we're going to be taking a look at the Optronics Load Resistor with male and female plugs for LED lights. LED lights are great. They're going to be brighter than incandescent bulbs, they last longer and use less energy. But when you upgrade to an LED light, there can be some issues. We may get an error message on our dash saying that we have a bulb out, or we can get a hyperflash where the blinker will go extremely fast. While we can still see that it's clearly turning on and our turn signal is working, that clicking on the inside of the cab can drive you crazy. The reason why it's going to hyperflash is because our LEDs have a very low draw on them, and the vehicle is looking for a certain amount. So right now the vehicle thinks that our turn signal is out, and it hyperflashes to let us know. Well, that's where our resistor is going to come in and help. It's going to add just enough of a load to where it'll fix the hyperflashing and the light will work properly. Our resistors are designed to work with 12-volt systems, and they're 50-watt 6-ohm resistors, which is going to be great for any LEDs that you put on your turn signals or your brake lights. On one end, we'll have a female PL3 plug. This is going to plug into the plug coming for the light. And then on the other end, we're going to have a right angle male PL3 plug, and this is going to plug directly into the light. So it's really nice because we're not going to have to cut or splice anything. It's already pre-wired for us, and we can just plug it in line behind our light. Keep in mind, whenever you're using your resistors, say we have them wired into our turn signals, this part of it is going to get very hot. We want to make sure we mount this to a metal surface, and there are two tabs here that are going to help us. We can use some self-tapping screws and secure it down. The total length here is going to be just over 10¼ inches, so we should have plenty of room to get it plugged in and be able to mount it up to a metal surface. So the way we're going to hook up our resistor is we'll find the light that we want to plug it into. We'll disconnect the plug. We're going to take the female end. We'll plug our light into it. And we'll take the male end of our resistor. We're going to plug it directly into the light. Now we can go ahead and test our circuit and make sure that our resistor is working properly. With our resistor installed, you can see that our turn signal is working properly and it cured the hyperflashing. One thing to keep in mind is our resistors do come in a quantity of 1, and you will need 1 resistor per LED bulb. So make sure to order the right amount. That'll finish up your look at the Optronics Load Resistor for LED lights.